Hi, good afternoon. MMM. This is Abilis from QC, member of MMM. I would like to share my happiness about MMM. Now, now I will show you my dashboard. On September 11, 2015, I provide the help amounting of 11K PHP and MMM extra. Then after 5 days, will provide help again to amounting of PHP nung on October 5, 2015 in Extra. So yun, ginawa ko po yung online task at offline task. Dahil doon, nabigyan po ako ng mga reward at ako po ay nagpapasalamat at dahil doon, nagawa ko yung mga task ko. Yun. Dahil doon, naano ko na yung bali 11,500 na po lahat ng. After that, I get help the community amounting of 18,000 PHP. October 12, 2015. And my sender is Mr. Dilino Jr. 18,000. I would like to thanks sa kanya pala. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa sender ko na si Mr. Dilino sa pag-provide ng aking network. Maraming salamat pala sa nag-invite sa akin dito sa MMM, Jamil Aribon. And also sa founder ng MMM, Sir G. Mabrudi. Naanyayahan ko po kayo, suportahan palalo ang aming community ng MMM. Together we change the world.